The secret to making more money with the TikTok Shop affiliate program is to find winning products. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 easy strategies to find products that are absolutely crushing it. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trent Peterson. I'm an 8-figure entrepreneur. And over the last couple months, I've been dabbling into the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And to be honest, it's a goldmine of an opportunity if you know what you're doing. Just this last month, I made over $4,000 while working less than 10 hours. And I'm telling you right now, if you implement these strategies, you're going to skyrocket your commissions and you're going to make more money while working less. The whole goal of scaling businesses and building online businesses is to get rid of the heavy lifting, to get rid of the guesswork, and to not have to slave away putting hundreds of hours into something and not seeing any return. Now, in the past, and what I've done is spend hours and hours and hours scrolling on the TikTok Shop marketplace looking for fantastic product opportunities. But those days are over. It takes way too long. Again, you're guessing and you're hoping that these videos convert. So instead, we're going to be using a software tool that is going to be an absolute game changer. That's going to make you more money. It's going to save you time. And I'm going to blow your mind with these 3 strategies. So I'll put the link down below. It's called FastMoss. You guys are going to get a massive coupon and a massive discount and also a free trial by using the link down below. So check that out. We're going to come over here and dive into my screen, and I'm going to show you guys that first and easy strategy to find winning products. So right here is the FastMoss TikTok analytics dashboard, and it is mind-blowing what this tool can do. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to show you guys the products tab. So if you come over here to this top left-hand corner, you're going to see products, then you're going to click on product search. From here, you're going to be able to go over here and filter out whatever you want. So you can filter it by category. And this is what I would recommend is maybe there's a specific category that you're interested in, or maybe there's something that you resonate more than others. So like if you're a girl and you do hair tutorials, for example, well, then you might want to look into beauty and personal care. If you're a guy and you like fashion, well, maybe you're going to want to look into menswear and underwear. So again, the list goes on there, but I'm just going to start broad. And then from there, I'm going to kind of narrow it in. So I'm going to just click all for the category. Then we're going to come over here to the filter of the commission rate. And for me, I want to review products where I have a good commission rate. If it's less than 15%, I'm not as incentivized to make videos about it. Now, that doesn't mean that there's not great products with less than 15%. But from what I've seen is the sweet spot is like that 15 to 30%. And again, you can go in and click these different filters and you can find ones with higher commission rates. And for the most part, the ones with super high commission rates are products that are probably not as good, they're not as established, and they don't have as much potential long term. So I kind of shoot for that 15 to 30%. And I come over here to the e-commerce type, and I do video. I don't want to do live. For me, I focus on videos because those will be there forever, where live, you have to spend hours and hours going live, and that is not a scalable business for me. Now, that doesn't mean live doesn't work, but for me personally, I'm going to be dedicating my time to actual videos that can be on the platform basically forever. And then you're going to come over here to the e-commerce creators, and this is basically, we're trying to filter it down to where it's not too saturated. We don't want too many creators promoting the same product. So I'm going to do 100 to 500, $4.99, and then units sold 1K to 5K. So looking for products that are sold over 1,000 times, 1 to 5,000. If it's over that, then it might be a product that's a little saturated. It might be a product that just exploded and you're kind of past that explosion mark. So if you can find a product that is kind of in that 1,000 mark, even a little less or a little above, that's kind of the sweet spot. So from there, I'm just going to scroll down and you're going to see that there's going to be lists of products that fit this criteria. And we're going to see we got this beach waiver. I mean, the 7-day revenue has done $98,000, which is just ridiculous. We've got these nose pore patches, $16,500. So maybe this is something. It's $10. You've got a 15% commission rate. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to scroll and just see if there's something that catches your attention. You might like these kind of flooded jeans right there. I think These ripped knee low baggy jeans. So maybe this is your style and you're like, hey, I can make an awesome video about it. As you can see, they've done 62K in the last 7 days. So they've proven out the concept. They've got a 15% commission rate, and that is a solid brand, is PacSun. So they're reliable. The one thing that I saw, and I actually found this product, and I actually have videos about this product, I'm generating commissions every single day off of this product, is this product right here. So it is a foldable stool that basically collapses and goes up and down. And I'll put a little screenshot right here of a video. If you guys want to check out my TikTok, it's at Trevin Peterson. But I made a video on this product, again, finding it with product research strategies that I'm showing you right in today's video. And I'm literally generating commissions every single day, anywhere from like $10 all the way up to, I think I did like $70 in one day with this one single product. So this is a super easy way to find viral products. I mean, for 15 bucks, this stool is like really cool. You can make viral content about it, and it's super easy to sell, and it kind of sells itself. And so those are the types of products that I'm looking for as I'm basically going through these filters. And so again, that was the very first page, and we could scroll to the second page all the way up to 200 pages. And so that's what you're going to do, is you're going to go and you're going to find products that you're like, okay, this is something that I'm interested in. This makes sense. Or, oh, I can make a good video about this. Or, oh, I have a good viral idea of this particular product. So like right here, like this thing seems interesting. It's a rain cat pool. So if you have a cat that likes to basically play in the water and it can kind of smack at the fish, like this is something that would be super easy to make a piece of content about. It's $10, so it's super cheap. It's going to sell like, and that's the thing, is most of the TikTok products, they're impulse buys. And so for 10 bucks, they've sold 3,000, almost 4,000 units. Like this product has proven itself. And so that could be another potential product. So that's the first strategy, is coming over here to the products tab to go to the product search, and then going in here and filtering it out to basically how I broke it down. And again, you don't need to use my exact filters. You can kind of adjust accordingly, but that is a fantastic way to find products. The second way, and this is another amazing way, and we're going to come over here to the creator tab. And basically the strategy behind this is to find creators that are crushing it and to learn from them. If they're seeing success, well, let's take some of their success and try to implement what they're doing into our TikTok Shop affiliate business. Now, I want to be very clear. I'm not telling you to be a carbon copy. I'm not telling you to copy every single thing that these creators do. But you can learn quite a bit from them, and you can take bits and pieces from these top creators and take it and make it into your own. So you're going to come over here and you're going to come to e-commerce creators, and this is where you're going to find basically the top creators. And you can come over here and filter it out by category. You can come over here to the e-commerce category. So this is the creator category, which doesn't really matter. The e-commerce category matters more. This is the products that they're actually promoting. And then we're going to do the e-commerce category, where it's a live creator or the video creator. Again, I like the video creators, the live creators. Again, people are crushing it, but for me personally, I'd rather make one piece of content that generates revenue basically forever than go live every single day. So from there, you're going to basically just scroll down and find these top creators and be like, okay, well, this guy, he's done $46,000 basically in revenue generated just today, which is just insane. You can come over here to the daily, the weekly, or the monthly, which is kind of cool. So I'm just going to come over here to the daily, find this guy. You can click on him and you'd be like, okay, let's see what he's doing. And you scroll down and you can literally come to the showcase products of the products that he's promoting. And so right here is a product that I actually am very interested in. It's an energy and focus gum and mints. So they have mints and gum. And I actually found this product by doing this exact strategy. And this is a product that he's promoting. And if he's doing 50K in one day, well, he probably knows something that I don't. And so this is probably a fantastic product. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to be like, okay, this seems really cool. So it's a caffeine gum. It's sugar-free. It's going to help you with your focus. It's got vitamins, B12 and B6. And so you can make all sorts of crazy content with this. And so this is a fantastic product to potentially promote. So I found a product just by going to this guy's basically showcase products. And if he, again, is a top creator, well, there's something that I can learn. Right here is another one, and I actually have this product as well. And I didn't even know that this was a TikTok product. I just have it. And so the fact that I have it at my house and this guy's promoting it, and it's only $4, I could go make a video on this literally right now today. So this is a golden nugget. Like, I found a product that I already have at my house of this product, and I didn't even think to review it on the TikTok shop, which is, again, it's just funny how things go. But that's the process. You're going in and seeing what other people are doing. And this product right here for $4, I know exactly what it does. And so I'm like, okay, well, I could definitely make a product video that could go viral from this product. And again, it's crushing it, like 123,000 units. That's insane. Again, that's maybe not necessarily the sweet spot. Like, that's just sold so much, but at the same time, like, it still has potential there. So you can scroll through. Like, this is one creator. We've got these cute, fluffy moo cow slippers that they go moo. We've got shark slippers, like all sorts of cool things. And so right here, like this LED clock. So you just go and you find these creators and you're like, okay, like what can I learn from them? And you can go through and again, come over here, come to showcase products, and you can just scroll through. These pretzels I've done, they've performed well. And most of the time, like, these creators, if they're promoting a product, like, it's because it's doing well. And so learning from these creators and not only just looking at the products that they're promoting, but also go in and look at the videos and see the style of video that they're going at. So you can go and you can search these guys on TikTok and see what kind of video content. I've actually done this rangefinder before, and it's done well. And so again, product after product after product, so much potential. That's an easy way. Come over here to creator, come to e-commerce creators, and then from here you can come to weekly, monthly, like these. It's absolutely insane. 1.1 million revenue generated. And we can come over here, just click on these, come over here to showcase products. And just like that, there are products just galore. I'm actually going to be testing a product, I think, because I found it from this guy, and they're these sunglasses right here, these smart sunglasses. And so I'm going to be testing it because I found it from this guy's shop, and I'm going to see what I can do. And so again, you go see what other creators are promoting, and then you take that and incorporate it into your TikTok shop affiliate business. And the third and last strategy to find winning products is to come over here to this videos tab, and you're going to click on popular videos. And from here, you're going to find videos that are absolutely just crushing it. And so there's a few things that you're going to do with these filters. So the first thing is you're going to turn on e-commerce videos. So as you can see, Mr. Beast is like one of the very first and top videos created, which he's just crushing it. But I want to find TikTok shop affiliate videos, and that's where you're going to hit this little e-commerce video tab. You're going to click that, turn that on, and then from here you can sort it from the last 7 days to the last 28 days, last 90 days, and from here you can just scroll and you can see right here, these are the promoted products. This product has just gone absolutely nuts, is these iPhone like screen protectors. So if you have a new iPhone or if you want to do that, like, again, this is how you're finding products. You're seeing, okay, well, if this creator, we'll just use this iPhone protector. If this video got 7 million views, well, let's click and watch this video and see what I can learn from it. And is there something that is like, okay, like, can I do something like this? This is hilarious. Like, he acted like he stole the phone, and as you can see, it's got this crazy screen, and then they're going to go right here and they're going to fix that screen. So it's just a super, like, those are the type of things that you're going to be learning as you utilize FastMoss, and you learn from creators. You go to the products tab, you go to the popular videos tab, and like, again, the list goes on. So right here, that was the very first product. So you can watch those and just kind of see. Come over here to the second page, and right here, you've got that same caffeine gum. So this is something, and this is actually the creator. So he crushed it on this video. So 1.9 million. So again, this is something that I was like, okay, well, maybe this is something that I should probably be looking at. I saw it on the creator. I saw it on the popular video. This is something that I could definitely go and watch to see what he's doing, and then don't copy him, but take some of those ideas and make it your own. And so that was just to page 3, and we found quite a few products that were like, okay, this is something that I could definitely promote. So it's literally as easy as clicking a few buttons, clicking popular videos, coming over here to the products, to the product search, going in and filtering out the different filters, coming over here to the creators, finding the e-commerce creators, and seeing what they're doing and what's working well. And then you take those products and you implement them into your own TikTok Shop affiliate business. And as you do that, you will start skyrocketing your commissions and you will start making daily income from the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll put the link to FastMoss down below. They're an incredible tool. You guys are going to get an amazing discount, and anybody can go in and take advantage of this tool to find the best products so that you save time and you make more money. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.